Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. Today we continue working with the sweatshirt of blend wool. Let me show you what we did off the camera. We tacked the blue details with the pink ones, and then tacked the back details with the overlapping seam. The back is ready. The front will be tacked the same way. I'll show you how to do it. The sleeves are also ready. The sleeves are double-sided. The sweatshirt is going to be so warm. Have a look at the front details. These are the pocket back details. They are about 21 cm long and 18 cm wide. You can make them as big as you want. We stitched the underlay pieces of the two colors to the upper edges of the pocket bags. Have a look at them. We made two identical details for the two pockets. They consist of lining fabric and the underlay pieces of blend wool. Next, I need to tack the pocket bags in between the two layers of fabric. I apply the blue underlay piece to the pink side and vice versa. When we cut a pocket opening on the blue side, the pink underlay piece will be visible. And the same thing on the other side. Apply the pink underlay piece to the blue detail. Make sure that the pockets are placed symmetrically. This is very important. Check the placement of the pockets. They should be absolutely even. Check the sides and the bottom. The details have to be accurate. Next, I need to pin the pockets. Then draw the lines for stitching and tack them. I'll show you the result. I was thinking about making such pockets for a long time, but this is the first time I'm actually making them. Next, I need to draw a line 1 cm away from the edge of the pocket bag. Watch the way I'm doing it. Next, I need to tack the pocket bag according to the drawn lines. The pockets are going to be very unusual. You'll be able to use the same pocket no matter what size up you're wearing the sweatshirt. I'll tack the second pocket the same way. I'll do it off the camera. Have a close look here. I'm taking the pocket circle-wise. There will be a rectangle on the face. You can choose the side of the sweatshirt according to your own mood. Wake up, have a look in the mirror, and decide how you want to look like. Today it's pink, tomorrow it's blue. Very convenient. You can look different having just one garment. I've tacked the pocket. There is a rectangle on the blue side. Next, I need to tack from this side, right in the seam. Join the two details together and tack them. Be very attentive. When I cut the pocket opening, the pink underlay piece will be seen from this side and the blue one from the pink side. Tack right in the seam. This is a very useful technique. It's very important to tack right in the first seam. Both the pocket bag and the underlay pieces will be hidden inside of the details. We just need to stitch the pocket bag according to the spacing seam, and then cut the pocket opening. Have a look at the blue and the pink sides. Next, I need to tack the front details. This is where the pocket bag is. The edges will be hidden between the blue and the pink details. Next, I need to tack the blue and the pink sides together. Have a look here. The double-sided front details are ready. The pockets are hidden inside of them. When we cut the openings, we will be able to use the pockets on the both sides. Next, I need to tack the two front details together. It doesn't matter which side to put on top of the other. The seam allowance in each detail is 1 cm. I'll tack the details with the overlap seam. The width of the seam is 1 cm. The detail should overlap for 2 cm, and the seam should be made right in the center of the overlap detail. The back is ready. When we tack the sweatshirt, we'll show you the fitting. We'll also give you a review of the finished garment. We can also make a double-sided detachable collar. I'm not sure if we're going to do it. If you watch our videos regularly, you can learn a lot of useful information. We've already shown you how to make detachable collars. When the seam is edged with the cover stitch machine, the pink will be visible here as well as on the pockets. The cuffs will also be pink when rolled. The front is ready. Next, I need to tack the shoulder seams. I'll overlap the back details. In this way, the pink side will be visible from the front. I need to measure and mark 2 cm away from the edges. Let's have a look at the sleeves. They should be tacked the same way. Measure and mark 2 cm away from the edge. Join the details. The shoulder seam and the center sleeve should match. It's very important. Be very attentive. I can't wait to see the result. When we show you the fitting, one of the tailors of my fashion house will remove the tacking and tack the garment again for stitching. Have a look at the sleeve. Here are the drop shoulders. I'm going to tack the second sleeve off the camera. The only details left to be tacked after that will be the side seams. Have a look at Ola. She is wearing the tacked sweatshirt. This is the first fitting. We're not going to show you the both sides now. Please, have a look at the shoulders. They are very neat. Such design is in trend now. You know that you don't need much time to make this pattern. It's not hard to do it. When we stitch the garment with the cover stitch machine, we'll cut the pocket openings. We'll give you a review of the finished garment in the next video. I remind you that you will be able to use the same pocket on the both sides. Ola, turn around, please. When the sweatshirt is ironed, it would look much better. You can see that the pink is visible on the blue side and vice versa. The sweatshirt is going to be very beautiful. We've already made a blue skirt of blend wool. Ola can combine these garments. Both of them are very comfortable. You can also make detachable collars for such sweatshirts. We've already shown you how to do it. You can find a link for the video in the description of this one. I love this design. It's in trend now. Such garments are suitable for cold weather. You can also make garments of the same design of light fabrics. That's all for today. We're Irina, Paukshte and Ola. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.